How to download videos from Reddit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and scroll through and open the video that you want to download, and once you have opened the video, tap on the share icon on the bottom right of your screen. Now in the pop-up that appears, you will see the download button. So go ahead and tap on the download button, and with this the video will be processed for downloading. Wait for the download to complete, and with this, as you can see, the video has been saved. So open your camera roll and you will be able to see your video downloaded there. So this is how you can download videos from Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.